What's up, guys? I just pretty much finished building my rig with a buddy who did most of the work, but it came out really nice. So I'm actually have this hooked up to my laptop right now because my camera is not portable. It's my C920 webcam. So we're gonna gently bring my laptop over, and I'm gonna show you guys the final product. First, we'll go over here. Oh, this is actually difficult. So right now, it's turning off and on because it doesn't have the proper RAM. I ended up getting a DDR3 instead of a DDR4 because the motherboard in this I did not know is a DDR4 motherboard. So my RAM that I bought does not work with this. So I can't actually do anything with this other than turn it on and have the fans run and have the LED. But it looks pretty fucking dope. There's all the USB ports and all the good stuff, and that glows. That's a nice back plate. Over here on the side, I have an Asus wireless adapter, so I don't need to plug it into an Ethernet source. Yeah, we'll go around the front here. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're sexy. That is nice. So we got the grill. This has a 250 gigabyte SSD in it. Sorry, I'm not really holding this steady. SSD and a 2 terabyte hard drive, which are both underneath these grills behind the back or the side plating. And then let's get a look at the actual light itself. Look at that. I don't know how good you guys can see that. See, it turns on. Right now the LED lights are on. It doesn't really look good now because it's daytime and it's pretty light out. But the fans here light up. Wow, this is a terrible camera job. This is super awkward. But as you can see, it's just starting, rebooting. It doesn't hurt the computer at all. It's just literally looking for RAM, which I don't have, so can't do shit with it other than marvel at it. Probably jack off to it a couple times today. But yep, I got a EVGA GeForce GTX 1070 for the Win Edition graphics card, and it is sexy. Have a Cooler Master aftermarket heatsink, keep that shit cool, a Z170 motherboard, and a 1000 watt power supply. Make it extra beefy because you're gonna need it. I really want to thank my buddy Dave Raymond. He did all the cable management, which is the biggest pain in the ass when you're building one of these rigs. He did all of it and guided me through the parts that I did. So that was extremely helpful because there was a lot that I did not know how to do. So I thank him for doing that because that was pretty fucking cool of him to do. He didn't have to, but he did. But yes, it is a sexy beast. Look at that. Oh man, I just want cream. You guys wouldn't even be able to tell because the case is white, but I'd probably just jizz all over this thing. It's beautiful. Super beautiful. Oh, up here, got our little, that's our power button. You can control the fans with that. And it's got the USB ports and all that good stuff. But it is wonderful. Get a final shot of it. Yeah, beautiful. That's it. That's the rig I'm going to be using to render videos. I'm going to have a 32 gigabyte or 216 gigabyte RAM card, so I'll be able to render my videos much quicker than I can right now on my laptop that I've been been using. But the build came out very nice. And then all we got to do is plug in the RAM, set up the BIOS, and put Windows 10 on it, and then we're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's it. It's up and going. Peace.